Ever felt like your business was stuck in a bureaucratic maze? Like you're running a marathon, but someone keeps changing the finish line? You're ready to level up, ready to separate your personal finances from your business, ready to build real credit, but you hit a wall. That wall? Often, it's opening a business bank account. And let's be real, the thought alone can trigger a mild panic attack. Mountains of paperwork, cryptic jargon, and the lingering fear of forgetting that one crucial document that sends you back to square one. You're not alone. So, you're looking at NorthOne, a bank that's been making waves for its streamlined approach, especially for small businesses. But, you're thinking, what's the catch? What hoops do I have to jump through? Today, we're cutting through the noise and giving you the straight scoop on exactly what documents you need to open a NorthOne business bank account. No fluff, no filler, just the facts. We're going to get you from that stressed out montage to a confident, I got this, feeling. Let's first understand why banks ask for so many documents in the first place. It's not just about making your life difficult. It's about compliance. Banks are legally obligated to verify your identity and the legitimacy of your business. This is to combat money laundering, fraud, and other financial crimes. Think of it as a necessary evil, a security measure that protects everyone. Now, NorthOne aims to simplify this process, but they still need to adhere to regulations. So, what do they require? Let's break it down into core categories. 1. Personal identification. First and foremost, they need to know who you are. This is standard across all banks. Government-issued photo ID, this is your primary form of identification. Think driver's license, passport, or state-issued ID. Make sure it's valid and not expired. NorthOne, like most banks, will likely require a clear, legible photo of the front and back of your ID. Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. This is crucial for tax reporting purposes. If you're a U.S. citizen, you'll provide your SSN. If you're a non-resident alien, you'll provide your ITIN. 2. Business information. This is where things get a bit more specific, depending on your business structure. Business legal name and address. This seems obvious, but double-check that you're using the exact legal name registered with your state or local government. Employer Identification Number, EIN. This is your business's equivalent of a Social Security number issued by the IRS. If you're a sole proprietor without employees, you may use your SSN, but an EIN is generally recommended for separating your business and personal finances. For LLCs, corporations, and partnerships, an EIN is mandatory. Business formation documents. This is where the specifics vary depending on your business structure. Sole proprietorship. While you might not have formal formation documents, you may need to provide a DBA, doing business as, or assumed name certificate if you're operating under a name other than your own. Limited liability company, LLC. You'll need your articles of organization or certificate of formation filed with your state. This document officially establishes your LLC. Corporation. You'll need your articles of incorporation filed with your state. Partnership. You'll need your partnership agreement, which outlines the terms of your partnership. Operating agreement, LLC, or bylaws, corporation. While not always required, these documents can provide additional clarity on your business structure and operations. It's good to have them handy. Proof of business address. This can be a utility bill, lease agreement, or official government document that verifies your business's physical location. If you operate from a home office, you might need to provide a utility bill in your name at that address. 3. Specific industry requirements, potentially. Depending on your industry, NorthOne might request additional documentation. For example, for regulated industries, like money services businesses or cannabis-related businesses, you might need licenses, permits, and additional compliance documentation. For online businesses, you might need to provide proof of your website and online sales platforms. Tips for a smooth application. Gather documents in advance. Don't wait until you are in the middle of the application to start searching for your documents. Get everything organized beforehand to save time and reduce stress. Ensure documents are clear and legible. Use a scanner or take high-quality photos of your documents. Blurry or illegible documents can delay the application process. Double-check information. Verify that all the information you provide is accurate and consistent across all documents. Any discrepancies can lead to delays or rejection. Understand your business structure. Knowing your business structure and the required documentation for it is crucial. Prepare for potential follow-ups. Be prepared to answer any follow-up questions or provide additional documentation if requested by NorthOne. Review NorthOne's website. Before you begin, review the most current documentation requirements on NorthOne's website. Bank regulations and requirements can change, and you want to ensure you have the latest information. Be patient. Even with a streamlined process, it can take time to review and approve your application. Allow sufficient time for the process to complete. Why NorthOne? You might be asking, why choose NorthOne in the first place? Beyond the simplified document requirements, NorthOne is tailored for small businesses. Integration with popular tools. NorthOne integrates with popular accounting and payment platforms, making it easier to manage your finances. No hidden fees. They aim for transparency, with clear fee structures and no hidden charges. Focus on small business needs. NorthOne understands the unique challenges faced by small business owners and provides tools and features designed to address those needs. Digital first. Their commitment to digital banking means you can manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. Opening a business bank account is a crucial step in building a solid financial foundation for your business. By understanding the required documents and following these tips, you can navigate the process with confidence. And by choosing a bank like NorthOne, you can simplify the process and focus on what matters most, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.